Trubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ki nong shong shnong ka Meghalaya ki Bombay ki Khasi ki ba shong basa a Shillong. Ki lawan sanan lang mandagasngi ka shpawder jalliyo ki long kami bara aplakan. Ban persya ya jingsha keno maga Jylla Meghalaya kamdei ka Jylla ka bashangan na kabanta ki tourist. Habagran shikila patay kubor uwe na ki ulaong maga jingsha Kynthoh hagi national media ya ka Jylla Meghalaya hagi ni khat news ngi baladap. Menta ka jingsha kalapau hak ba hagi rinsan social media lai I bakila Panmap ya ka Jylla Meghalaya halor ka jingkeno Bombay. Ulang bakumba ka Jylla Meghalaya ka ka Jylla ka ba iet bat buram mi kinong wan jungokai ni ki tourist bat kam judon ka jingja ka bawanja kum ka ni ka jingja. Ulang bakum kini ki jingja ki juja ki ka Jylla ka rithor hendai kam chupau perthei bat menta ka ni ka jingja ka lapau perthei namar ka jingpen mi khubor ha ki shlam khubor ba pher. Nginai pedang sngo bhai ki tourist bakin wan kai ha ka Jylla namar ngi sngo iet ya ki brio ki bawan kai ha ka Jylla ulang ru banang ni shakmat ki jakabam ki hotel ki guest house kinbu ki jingyada ni ki jinan kam ki banlong kum ka jingyada ki tourist ki bawan kai ha ka Jylla.
A lot of people from our side, so all the few members we can take. No, we could have sent in the hotel. Now because just
Shillong, you want support the people. You want support the young.
You're from Shillong?
Yes, yes. We are from hotel association, all that. No, we could have a lot of people.
Thanks for taking part.
Say something then. Say something.
No, I think we need an apology from people who have defamed our state, our people. We deserve an apology.
What has happened? First of all, we pray to God that God bless Raja Raghuvansh's soul, and what has been rolling around for the last 17 days in national media, where Meghalaya has been put to bad light, and the truth is finally out, and it's good now that the entire social media and entire media community is pro Meghalaya. Everybody is apologizing to Meghalaya for defaming Meghalaya. So I hope that this trend continues, as we are a state which love tourists, love people here, and there has never been such incidents. There are major incidents which happen in the mainland which go unnoticed, but this came to big limelight due to extensive media challenges which they had put forward. So I'm glad everything is in place, and we are ready here to welcome more and more tourists to Meghalaya, as we love the people coming in here, and in future we'll also work closely with all the respective hotels and guest houses and bed and breakfast, where they can put in more better means to safeguard the interest of the tourist. Thank you.
But did you see like the government is now need to implement an ILP?
ILP, I would not be able to comment on that because that's a very different topic altogether. So we are here more as concerned citizens of the state, where we want to enlighten the people throughout the country that Meghalaya is a safe and secure place for all tourists.